Simran Peacock is devoted to innovative engineering by developing and manufacturing electrochemical sensors and biosensor technology. Behind our technology at ZP, we have a multidisciplinary team with a background in electrochemistry, electronics, mechanical engineering, materials science, biotechnology, and micro and nanotechnology. We have developed technology for breath analyzing, sensors created for COVID-19 detection, sweat analysis, continuous glucose monitoring, and sensors for analyte sensing such as lactate, oxygen, and pH. Our technology not only contributes to the medical field, but also the agricultural field, such as determining stress levels in fish and the world's only patented and commercially viable soil nitrate sensor. We are a diverse group consisting of more than 20 nationalities, with facilities in different locations based in the UK, Norway, France, and the US. Not only are we a fast-growing and innovative company, but we pride ourselves in our great working environment.